Hey guys, welcome. I'm going to show you how to customize your background. So the background is the area that's behind your apps, and I'm going to show you how to customize the toolbar. The toolbar is down here at the bottom. So first, I don't really like using Edge, so I'm going to close this program out. I'm going to hit the X, and I'm going to right click, and I'm going to unpin Edge from the taskbar. Your mouse should have the left side and the right side. The right side is right click. I also don't need to use the Microsoft Store, so I'm going to right click and unpin that from the taskbar too. And I want to be able to access Chrome very fast. So type here to search. I'm going to click CHROME, and I can now select Chrome. It will open Google Chrome for me and all of my apps that I have preloaded because I'm signed in to my account. To keep this in here forever, so that when you start your computer, we're going to right click and we're going to pin this to the taskbar. This is something that you have to do. You have to pin Chrome to the taskbar. The other thing you want to pin to the taskbar is you want to open up your Corel Draw. Double click to open it. It's going to ask you for some options. We're going to skip past these. And the next thing we're going to do is, now that we see Corel Draw at the bottom here, I'm going to right click and I'm going to pin this to the taskbar as well. I don't need to do anything else in here, so I can close this out. Other apps you might want to have at the bottom is a snipping tool. So I'm going to click here to search, SNIP. We're going to learn about the snipping tool and how to take screenshots. So let's take a snip. If I can hit new, I can actually just take a picture of our superintendent. And it's going to ask me where do I want to save that picture, and it's going to save it to my pictures area. So I can call it Nokohennepin School. And I can save this image to my pictures folder. All right, see you later, Mr. Law. Now that I've closed out Snipping Tool, I forgot to pin it, so I have to open it up again. SNI. So I can open up Snipping Tool. Now I can go down here and I can right click it. I can pin it to my taskbar. Now if I close it, it's always there for me to open up really fast and take a screenshot. All right? Let's talk about how do you make your desktop customized. So this is a picture I took of our moon, of the moon, with my telescope at home. So if you wanted to get your own moon or something like that, we're going to go to Chrome. We're going to open up a new tab. And we're going to go to the images for Google. So I'm going to type the moon. And we're going to look at images of it. Maybe I want to have a better picture of a moon because mine is amateur. And this is maybe more professional. NASA took this picture. So a couple things you can do. You can right click this. And we have options in here. So we want to save this image. So we're going to save this image as the moon. And now it gives us some options here. Where do we want to save it? I'm moving this over. I'm moving it left and I'm moving it right to see where we can save things. I don't want to save it to the student drop server. I want to save it maybe to my desktop. Maybe I want to save it to my pictures folder and have Mr. Law and the moon together. So let's hit save. In order to get this moon changed for my background, I can right-click my desktop, and I can click Personalize. And a picture right here, I can hit the Browse button, and I can choose the moon, choose this picture, and if I close this, now the new moon is my background. That's kind of a better picture of the moon, I think, right? All right, that concludes this lesson. So go ahead and make sure you take an image, get it on your background, go into Google Classroom, and make sure that you've taken a screenshot of this little area. So I'm going to take a screenshot here, new, and I'm going to screenshot all the little things that I have down here. And we're going to save it in our pictures folder. And we're going to call it Lesson 1. All right, how to use a computer. Thank you so much.